Struggling to eat well on a budget?
We've been eating oats for most of our lives, virtually every day, and we adore them. Many people can find oats boring, bland. They are super healthy. We're gonna show you 3 overnight oat recipes that are super easy to make, they're cheap, they're affordable, and most people are living busy lives. So the beautiful thing about this is you can prepare them ahead of time at a bulk recipe and then divide them up and flavor them differently so they taste great every single day.
We've got 3 simple variations. We've got a chocolate one, which is delicious, very tasty. We've got a mango and lime one, and then we've a berry and vanilla one. Very tasty, 3 variations, 1 base. Let's get started. Okay, first step, we're gonna make our base. So into our big mixing bowl, we have 150 grams of oats. We've got 30 grams of chia seeds.
A nice pinch of salt, which will help accentuate the sweetness.
And then we finally got 360 ml of plant-based milk of choice.
Give it a nice mix, just to make sure the chia seeds are well dispersed because they will thicken a lot.
So we've left this sit for 4 hours. Best to leave it overnight, as the name implies, overnight oats. Or you could leave it just for 4 hours. Now we're gonna show you our 3 variations. So we've got 3 simple jars. We're gonna divide our base ingredient across the 3 jars. Now that we've divided them across 3, we're gonna make our toppings. Our first one is very simple and easy. We're gonna start with our chocolate one. So I've got a tablespoon of cacao powder. I'm gonna simply add that in. And I've got a tablespoon of desiccated coconut. And I'm gonna mix that through it. If I do wanna make it add a little more sweetener, I can add a teaspoon or a tablespoon of maple syrup until I meet my desired taste.
Because cacao can be a little bit bitter, and by adding a little bit of a sweetener, it'll help balance it out. In on top of our chocolate coconut overnight oats, we're gonna go with a little bit of coconut yogurt or yogurt of choice. Okay, finally, we're gonna grate on a little bit of chocolate. Use the darker, the higher cocoa percentages if you wanna make it less sweet.
So our second variation is mango and lime with an optional addition of mint. So once again, we're going in with coconut yogurt or plant-based yogurt. We do love a plant-based yogurt on top of overnight oats. It just kind of adds a creamy elevation to it.
So I have some finely sliced mango just to go through our coconut yogurt. Next on top, I have my mango. You can use frozen mango, which is really available all year round, cheaper and less waste. But if you do it fresh, even better. Juice in half a lime just on top of our mango. It's just gonna make that beautiful contrast, give it a nice little mix. We're gonna put all those mango chunks on top and finish with just a zest of lime on top. For our final one, we're gonna use berries. Frozen berries are really easy to get. They're typically easy to use out of season. They can be very affordable and they keep their nutrition typically well. You can use fresh ones if they're in season too. We're gonna pop half our berries through our oats.
You'll get a lot more color kind of transfer from frozen berries than you will from fresh, particularly blueberries. I'm gonna pop a tiny bit of vanilla through this.
And a little bit of maple syrup if you do want it sweeter. Obviously, leave it out if you don't. Top it with your yogurt of choice. We're going with coconut yogurt, use whatever you have. Nice feature just in terms of your strawberries is popping down the front of the jar like that. It's gonna make it eat with our eyes.
And we're gonna simply top this with some of the frozen berries. There you have it, 3 budget-friendly, amazing variations of overnight oats. If you do like this, we've a recipe club that literally costs you a cup of coffee. It's got more than 700 recipes, including lots of budget-friendly, easy breakfasts, dinners, lunches, everything in between. So do check that out. We'll put a link in the description down below.
Let us know in the comments what one you'd pick. I think I'd go mango. I think that's what I'm feeling right now.
I'm going raspberry, or going with the berry for sure.
But thanks a mil for watching. Sending loads of love. We're the happy pair.
Bye. Cheers.